Well, the reason why I came about inventing it was I saw a huge problem within the system and there was nothing out there to address the problem. The heating system can also be zoned. That means that you can heat your hot water separate to your radiators in the summer time, and you can also heat the radiators without the hot water also. So it's a huge beneficial to the customer, and if you've got two heating zones, you can heat, let's say example, the first floor and the ground floor, you can heat them together or separate. So it's a huge benefit that way, also leading to more fuel savings. The tank can be used in all different type systems, microbore, standard, anything, you name it, 28 mil, 22 mil, doesn't matter. Once the house is reasonably plumbed, it'll work perfect. How I actually came about inventing the box was one day I just got an idea and I designed to make a square tank rather than round. These normal tanks that are round, circular. So I said by making it square that I made the mixing process. It was all about the mixing process of the water between the radiators and the boiler. So I designed the box around that. And there was a couple of problems I had to address with the air, the temperature, and get the perfect mix of the boiler. So the boiler would be separate to the radiators. So that's how it came about, the general idea came about. I won an award at the Inventions Fair in Geneva back in 2001. Yeah, so that was great. I got a silver medal there. Well, how the product benefits the customer is basically it gets all the radiators heating at an equal temperature, gives them more hot water, and gives them basically more comfort in their homes. Because as customers know, like they'll be heating on, and they still have cold rooms in their house and they're not getting value for fuel. The boiler temperature will be reduced from normal 75 to 80 degrees down to 60 degrees. So you're taking an average, you would say 10-15 degrees off the average temperature, which is a huge reduction in fuel. You can see the fuel saving by doing that, and also the room stats are reduced down from the normal 21 to 19. And yet you're still not taking the comfort from the building. The house is more comfortable, even with those reductions. So you can see that it's a no-brainer really. You have to have fuel saving with those. The box, it also removes the air from the central heating system automatically. So the air is formed on the boiler and it enters the tank and is captured and it doesn't allow it out to the radiators. It removes the air. It also allows the radiators to stay at the constant temperature. With the existing system, they're constantly fluctuating. And when you put it in the box, it's all even. There's no fluctuation in the radiators, and therefore it's giving you much more comfort in your rooms, in the building. It also eliminates pump cavitation. So the pumps, a faster flow rate. The water flows 70% faster through your radiators. Let's say the standard radiator, you get 1 litre a minute, but this is almost 4 litres a minute. So you can see the benefit by pumping extra water. You're getting more surface area heated on your radiator and more comfort in the room. It can be used with oil, gas, radiators, underfloor heating, any water-based heating system. Anywhere in the world, any country, same principle applies.